basic rights. It allows us to find a job, a partner, a basic facilities comparatively easily than affording to be food. Whether you like it and accept it or not, you are always born into some kind of group, religion, community, caste, or race. Maybe you feel all other peoples are your friend, but they are not. They may clash with some differences like clashes about your religion. Their religion is some other and your religion is some other. They may clashes, and your country protect you from that their clashes like some war in your moment. I know these are not emotionally strong reason. I have a lot of its if and but about them. But imagine life without these and try figuring out how would our modern lifestyle survive without the institution of country. Thank you.